of if I tell you that getting your 4,000 watch hours here is in 30 days is possible, even for small channels, okay? If only you follow these simple plans. Do you understand? Now, most creators thought think that getting their 4,000 watch hours takes years, but I am here to assure you that with a good content structure and consistency, you will dramatically hit your 4,000 watt hours faster. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you're going to get your 4,000 watch hours in 30 days. Yes, you heard me right. In 30 days. Now let's about 4,000 watch hours. Okay. Now, for you to monetize your YouTube channel, you need 4,000 public watch hours, not private, not on list, but public 4,000 watch hours. Okay. Now, for you to hit that 4,000 watch hours, you need to upload a long form videos that will help you to generate the 4,000 watch hours. Okay. Why 30 days upload work? 30 days upload works because YouTube rewards momentum. Do you understand? Now, consistent upload plus high retention plus big word content, which will lead to faster recommendations. And remember, once YouTube starts recommending your videos or starts suggesting your video, chance of going viral. Do you understand? Now, you don't need a viral video. You only need people to keep on watching your videos for a longer moment. Okay, go over to our 30 days watch hour plan. Do you understand? Now, for you to start, first of all, start your watch hour plan. Now, this is what we are going to do. Now, we are going to gather the content that we are going to upload, the video titles that we are going to upload. Okay, now we are not going to upload a random videos. We are going to go over to our YouTube Studio app to go and pick the type of videos that you upload that will also perform very well.
Generate a content idea. Just click on this YouTube Studio app. So when you click on it, you just come to this analytics. Okay, click on it and wait for it. Tap on this analytics and wait for it to load. So once it loads, comes to this trend. Okay, tap on the trend, then come here. You see explore topics. Do you understand? Please explore topics. You see search. I'll start with an examples, okay? But you are going to search for this particular topic, that is how to cook jollof rice. Okay, then tap on it. You search, you type how to cook jollof rice. Okay, then click on, tap on this good icon. So this is it. Searched on YouTube. I don't know whether you see it. Search on YouTube. So click on this. You see this search on YouTube. They are what people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, like example, easy jollof rice recipe, Nigerian. Okay, oh sorry, you come here, how to make jollof rice with chicken. This is what people are searching for. Do you understand? How to make jollof rice. Okay, so this, when you create content around this corner, automatically your video is going to rank. It is as simple as that. This is what people are searching for at the moment. So if you have a YouTube Studio app, it is easy for you to generate a content idea. So when you create content on this or this or this, any of them you make content on, your video is going to rank. Okay, and if you want me to create a video on how you are going to, if you start up a new YouTube channel, how you are going to select a topic ideas that you want to start creating in your channel, I want to know at the comment section below. Okay,
Get our videos that we are going to be uploading on our channel. Okay, we are going to create a video, a long form videos that is 8 to 15 minutes long. Okay, remember that we are looking for watch hours. Okay, and again, making a longer video doesn't really matters a lot. The only thing you need to create is just make a video that will engage your audience. Okay, longer form videos that will engage your that your audience will engage with and also watch it longer. You can create 5 minutes video, 4 minutes video for your audience. The only thing you need is to make that video to be engaging. Do you understand? Make it to be engaging so that people will watch longer. And remember, immediately you want people, your audience watch your videos longer, the algorithm will love to push your video to more wider audience that is in need of that particular content that you create. Okay, now once you are done with creating the long form videos, this is what you are going to do. You are going to create your playlist like this. You are going to create your playlist and arrange those of your videos according to the series. Okay, now let's assume now that you create a content on how to cook jollof rice. Okay, now you are going to create a content about the steps on how you're going to cook your jollof rice. You are going to create a playlist about cooking of jollof rice, okay? So that once they finish watching this particular jollof rice, once they are done with watching this particular video, they will be able to click on the other videos, okay? Maybe let's assume that you create how to cook jollof rice, okay? Now, in the other video you're going to create, you are going to create a video on how to cook jollof rice with fish and meat. Let's use it as an example. Do you understand? So once you are creating, you just make sure you are piling it in one particular playlist. Okay. So by doing it like this, immediately people finish watching the other video, they will be able to jump to the other video and watch. And by doing this, your watch hours are compiling. Did you now, once you are done with creating the playlist, fix your title, your thumbnail, and the description. Remember, your title and your thumbnail play a huge role in your video. Make sure you fit your title and your thumbnail in your videos. Do you understand? Now, week 2, this is what you are going to do. Okay, create 2 long form videos. Do you understand? Create 2 long form videos, maybe from you something like 8 to 15 minutes videos, or 8 to 10 minutes videos as an upcoming YouTuber. Okay, remember that people have not started engaging more in your videos. Okay, now you have to make your video to be longer, not to be a bit shorter, not too long. Okay, like you can create 8 minutes video or 10 minutes videos. Do you understand? Now, once you are done with creating these 2 videos in a week, okay, make sure that you go live on your channel. Do you understand? Even if you can't stay more longer, just stay up to 60 minutes. Okay. Remember, if people engage well on your video, let's assume now that people in 100 people engage on your long form on your live stream, you have 100 watch hours. Do you understand? If 300 people engage on your live stream, that is your 1 hour live stream, you be able to gather 300 watch. Week 3 is big and post. Okay, now you have to upload 2 long form videos again, whether 8 minutes video or 10 minutes video or 15 minutes video. You have to upload it in this your week 3 now. Then once you are done with it, once you are done with your video, make sure you use end screen directing them to your playlist. Do you understand? Make sure you direct them to your playlist, because this stage now, YouTube is testing your content to a wider or doing all these things. Please don't forget to add pin comment in your comment sections. Okay. So once at that your comment section, you have to make an engaging comment, then pin it so that it will encourage interaction in your content. Do you understand? Now, if you don't know how to get the comment, okay, that you pin in your comment section, you can go over to your chat GPT, okay, to generate the comments. Okay, just go there, give the chat GPT the instruction that you need. This is your video title, that you need a comment that you have to pin at the comment section to encourage interaction in your videos. Okay, and boom, chat GTP will generate it for you, and you copy it and paste it there and pin it. Your week 4 is all about scale. Okay, now upload 3 long form videos in your week 4. Remember that we are dealing with 30 days upload. Okay, in your week 4, upload 3 long form videos. Go live twice in that week. Okay, this is what you're going to do again. Go over to your YouTube studio, go and check those videos that have high retention. Okay, those videos that have high retentions, make sure you recreate it again. Do you understand? So this is how you're going to get your 4,000 watch hours faster. Immediately you recreate those videos that have high retention before, okay, in your previous videos. Once you recreate it and people come back again to re-engage on it, the probability of you to gather your watch hours is very, very high. Do you understand? Let's go over to content that can build watch hours faster. Okay. Now, in this period, you don't have to upload random videos in your channel. No, don't do that. You have to deliver content that can give values to your audience. Do you understand? Now, that period is not the time you have to start doing a day in your life and the rest of them. No, nobody cares a day in your life at this moment because you are still growing. Okay. Now, this is what you're going to do at this period. Give values. You can start giving tutorials in your channels. Okay, do screen record. As you're doing that tutorials, you can still do your screen record. People will love to engage. Okay, people love practical unlike theories. Okay, so now do some screen record. Now you can do educational content. Do you understand? There's a lot of educational content that people are searching for in the internet. Okay, go ahead and do them and upload in your channel. Then explainer videos. Bring out a particular topic, create a video on it and explain to people to understand. Then by as people are engaging in this your videos, you'll be able to accumulate your 4,000 watch hours. Go over to retention rules. If people leave at the first 5 seconds of your video, automatically YouTube will stop pushing your video. It is as simple as that. Okay, this moment, don't use a long intro. Okay, now go straight to the point, a clear section. Okay, you can use your screen record so that people will be able to follow you along. Remember that retention beats everything. Do you understand? Don't just create a random videos. Go straight to the point and give value. Take expectations. Will everybody hit their 4,000 watch hours during these 30 days? The answer is no. Okay, the answer is no. But you can gather something like 2,000 watch hours, 3,005, 3,000 watch hours, and also YouTube momentum will continue after these 30 days. Okay, because you use a good content structures, you upload what your audience are expecting. So if you want to know how to get your 4,000 watch hours using your YouTube Studio app, you can still watch this video at this point. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. If you watch this video up to this point, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more YouTube growth tips. Okay. Thanks so much. Bye bye.